In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable agent mode in Lovable. Before we begin, a quick note on context. Agent mode is a powerful automation feature, and there are times you'll want it off. Maybe to review changes manually, pause background actions, or follow a change management policy. The goal here is to get you into the right project area in Lovable and set up your workspace so you're ready to turn it off confidently and without distractions. Start by heading to the Lovable Home dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has access to the project you're managing. If you land on a different page or your session timed out, a quick refresh or navigating to the main dashboard will get you back on track. Interfaces evolve, so your layout may look slightly different, but the home area is your central hub. From the dashboard, click on All Projects. This view lists everything you can access. If you don't immediately see it, look toward the main navigation on the left or the top header. Sometimes the sidebar can be collapsed on smaller screens. Expand the menu if needed, or widen your browser window. With a lot of projects, the list can be long. Use the built-in search or filters to narrow it down by name or tag so you don't waste time scrolling. Next, click on the specific project you want to manage. Double check that you're opening the correct one, especially if your organization uses similar naming across environments like development and production. It's a good habit to confirm the project identifier or description before you proceed. Opening the project takes you into its dedicated workspace, where you'll access the areas relevant to agent mode. Once inside the project, close the sidebar to maximize your workspace. Look for the close or collapse control, often an arrow or chevron near the edge of the panel. Collapsing the sidebar gives you a cleaner, distraction-free view so you can focus on the controls you came for. If the button doesn't respond, try slightly widening your window, adjusting your zoom level, or reloading the page. At this point, you're in the right place, with the project open and the interface cleared, ready to proceed with your organization's established process for turning off agent mode. If you don't see what you expect, verify your permissions with an admin or check whether your team has customized navigation. Quick recap. Open the Lovable dashboard, go to All Projects, select your project, and close the sidebar to work efficiently. Take a moment to review any on-screen prompts, follow your team's playbook, and you'll be set.